Hi everyone, today I am back with another MIDJOURNEY video, and today I'll be showing you a process, and I'll not explain much because let's get started with it and you'll know what I'm trying to do. Just remember this, what I have understood by using MIDJOURNEY is that you have to write very short prompts, and it's better if you write in keywords like Instagram photo, the subject, dress. If you want somewhat mid body or full body image, try to include things like heels, shoes, stuff like that. And some facial features because it focuses on the face and generates some better images. That is what I have seen. Shot on iPhone, just the iPhone and the Instagram part is just to make it more like influencer style photo. Other than that, there is the aspect ratio. The style is raw for prompt coherence. Stylize is 250, not something much up because then it starts to deviate from the prompt. So keep it short, and this prompt is not the finalized one, this is just a format. I'll show you by generating what it creates, and after that we'll try to modify it. So you can see this is the kind of images it is creating. This is not something finalized, but you can see the faces, the prompt coherence and everything is good what we tried to put it there. Now remember, the heels is not there because we are putting stylized, and in the full body images the faces turn like messed up. So it is not there, but we can still utilize this because you can see the fingers and everything are here are 4 fingers. So it is good. Now how we'll use this particular prompt, I'll show you. But before that, I'll need to show you another interesting feature, that is the describe feature. You write describe, then there is image or link. So I'll take link. What I'll do is that you see this particular image. This is a random image I got on internet. I'll copy the address. I'll paste it here. You see MIDJOURNEY analyzed the image and created 4 prompts. Now if you generally generate the 4 prompts, they are not that great. I can even show you one of them. Let's make the first one, whatever the prompt came up with. Now as you can see, these images don't look bad for MIDJOURNEY, but there is something lacking, at least what I feel. These are not bad pictures, but still. So what we can do is that, remember the first prompt, right? This is ChatGPT and this is the free version. You get GPT-O now. So you see this is the first prompt that we used in the black dress. Now what I am trying to do is that analyze the above prompt for MIDJOURNEY AI. Don't change the parameters, basically these things. And analyze the prompt given below. That would be the prompt we would be providing it. And extract keywords from it. Arrange those keywords in similar fashion to above prompt. Remember, the length of sentence must be similar with minimal changes. Try to keep it as short as possible, and also judge the position of keywords in the above prompt, where keywords like Instagram photo, body, dress, subject, etc. have been positioned and placed. And use the similar format to create the new prompt. So you get an understanding. What it is doing is that it is analyzing this prompt, then it is analyzing this prompt, extracting the keywords and trying to put it in this particular format, in this particular positioning and sequence. So this is what it is trying to do. I'll copy this whole thing and I'll come back. I have been using this, so you can see like there is some generation, but here I'll take one. We generated the first prompt here, so I'll keep that only so we can compare later on. And I took it and we'll just generate. So firstly, you can see it is analyzing our main prompt, then it is extracting keywords and creating this whole. So what we'll do is that we'll generate. But remember, Instagram photo, it gives the woman. We can put anything that we want, like we can put an age or anything. Here I would put Italian as a nationality, and other than that I'll keep everything same. I'll generate. Now even if you see, it is not a full body or half body portraits because it was not present in the prompt. The composition and everything is slightly better. If you compare this and if you compare this, if you see the body proportions, figures and everything, this looks a little bit more realistic than that. And what you can do is that you can again copy this whole prompt, come here and choose a different one, because it creates Midjourney creates 4 prompts, and we'll replace it and try to generate again. So it is going through the same process. I'll copy the code, paste it here. One thing I have generally seen is that providing a nationality helps, otherwise you cannot even like guess what kind of body type, what kind of face would come up. So some kind of nationality, ethnicity or something like that helps. So we'll generate this. Not bad. So all of these images are pretty good. And from here we can select any one which we like. So I personally loved the third one. This would be the fourth one, so I'll separate it out. And also the third one. Now frankly speaking, I don't even think that this particular image needs any kind of editing, because I'm pretty happy with it. This is another image which I generated by the same process. So here what I'll do is that I'll paste the image, I'll copy the whole prompt, I'll come to stable diffusion and I'll paste it here. This is Forge Web UI. I'll paste it here. You can see DPM++ SDXL era, sampling step is 30. This is a turbo model, Dreamshaper XL Turbo. Batch count is 1, batch size is 3. With this button you can directly take the dimension. Denoising, I don't think we need much denoising in this one, so I would like to reduce it. Let's try at 0.35, and if it is not better, we'll see something else. So you can see face is here, gorgeous face. Here I can also put Italian and let's see what it comes up with. So you can see all the different parameters here, and I'll click generate. The idea is to make the skin tone and the overall composition a little bit more realistic, keeping everything same. So the images are ready, and you can see I don't know, but I feel this a little bit more realistic, because the skins look, the highlights and everything look a little bit plasticky. You can see the freckles and everything. Here the skin tone looks more natural, so I prefer this. You can choose something else. You can see the shadows and everything look way more realistic. So this is my personal preference, and according to that. So this was the whole process. You can try to implement it in your own workflow and try it out with different images, get different descriptions from Midjourney and use it in the same way that I am using with ChatGPT. And I'm pretty sure you can get very original and different kind of images as well.